Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make brownie dip. This incredibly simple and delicious dessert dip comes together in just a few easy steps, perfect for any gathering or a sweet treat at home. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can whip up this rich, chocolatey goodness. We'll start by gathering just a few common ingredients, like cream cheese, butter, cocoa powder, and powdered sugar, ensuring you have everything ready for a smooth process. Let's get started on this delightful creation. First, let's create the creamy base for our brownie dip. Take 8 ounces of softened cream cheese and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and place them into a large mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, beat these two ingredients together on medium speed until the mixture becomes wonderfully light and fluffy. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring a perfectly smooth and airy foundation for the rich chocolate flavors we'll be adding next. It's the key to a truly decadent dip. Now it's time to infuse that irresistible brownie flavor. Gradually add 1 cup of powdered sugar and 1/2 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder to your cream cheese mixture. Continue mixing on low speed until these dry ingredients are fully incorporated. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, which truly enhances the chocolate notes. Make sure to scrape down the sides of the bowl to ensure everything is evenly blended, resulting in a perfectly smooth, rich, and chocolatey dip ready for enjoyment. Finally, your delicious brownie dip is ready to be served. Carefully transfer the finished dip into a beautiful serving bowl. For an extra touch of visual appeal and flavor, consider garnishing it with a sprinkle of mini chocolate chips, some colorful sprinkles, or a decadent drizzle of chocolate syrup. This dip pairs wonderfully with a variety of dippers, such as graham crackers, fresh strawberries, banana slices, or even salty pretzels for a sweet and savory contrast. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.